Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a Shein product reviewer via the app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the Shein app onto your mobile device. Make sure to sign in or to sign up. Once you're here, you'll be taken to a page that looks similar to this. So from here, click onto me on the bottom right hand corner of the page. You can see I'm logged in here. Now, on this page, look for under my orders free trial center. Here it is on my screen. So go ahead and click on free trial center. And then from here, just browse the list of available items. You can apply for up to 3 items per week. So for each item, tap free trial, select your size, confirm your shipping address, then tab submit to apply. So if I want to go ahead and get a free trial on these casual shorts, I'm going to go ahead and click on free trial. And then I'm going to choose my size here, extra large, and click next step. Then from here, make sure you got your address is all correct and also your phone number is correct, and then go ahead and click on submit. And then you can also add a shipping address here if you want to change your shipping address. Then once you've done that, I'll say please wait for the application results. You can follow up on your application record at the Trial Personal Center. So now let's go to my applications. I'm going to go back here. Alright, so inside the free trial center, to have a look at your application status on the top right, click onto that there, and inside your my free trial, you can see my applications, and now these are all your current pending applications.